Marketing takes time, but AI can write social posts, design ads, and even edit videos for you. Today, I'll show you 5 AI tools that can automate your marketing and grow your business fast. Tool 1. Jasper AI. AI copywriting for ads and posts. Struggling to write ads? Jasper AI creates viral headlines, Facebook ads, and even blog posts. Tool 2. AdCreative AI. AI-powered ad designs. Need stunning ads? This AI generates professional designs and high-converting ad creatives. Tool 3. Ocoya. AI social media scheduler. Upload your content, and Ocoya posts it across Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and more. Tool 4. Synthesia AI. AI video ads with avatars. Don't want to be on camera? Synthesia AI creates AI-generated spokesperson videos for ads. Tool 5. Surfer SEO AI for Google rankings. Want to rank #1 on Google? Surfer SEO analyzes top-ranking pages and tells you exactly what to write. AI is the future of marketing. These tools can save you time, boost engagement, and make more money.